Thank you for joining me for this demo video about Copy Page Tree by Artemis software.
Go to the top right of the screen to the Tools menu drop-down and select Copy Page Tree. This will bring you to the macro display page. Here you can set your destination page. It must already exist. Click the Expand checkbox, and it will show you how the names of the pages will display. Your copied pages must be unique. You can add a prefix. The macro auto-fills the prefix as copy. You can replace a word in the title at this time as well. If you want to control the settings a bit more, click on the Enable Advanced options. To edit your page content by finding and replacing words inside your content. There is not a preview on this part. Advanced features will also allow you to add a suffix. Please note the macro adds the suffix in the second stage of copying, so you can't use this to make the name unique. Once you are happy with your settings, click Copy and the process will begin. A status bar with the copying process will appear. Then a confirmation page will show when the copying process is completed. You can then go to the new page tree. In addition, there is a Delete Page Tree feature. When you are on the parent page of the page tree that you wish to delete, go to the top right of the screen to the Tools menu drop-down and select Delete Page Tree. You will receive a confirmation page. Click Delete and proceed. The pages are deleted. Thank you for watching this demo. If you have any questions, please contact us on our portal. We're happy to help.